Good afternoon. It's lunchtime. It's about noon, and I'm ready to eat. In a moment, we'll hear that familiar chime and we'll know what to do. So, let's see if that'll happen soon, because I'm anxious.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
Спасибо. Let's see what this is. Rice, soup, water, orange juice, and the meal box. Glasses off and figure this out. All right. Oh, what is this? Food. So we have some food. I would say it's beef. Let's try. It's good. This container over here, kimchi. I think this is that sausage. Okay, this is kind of a chili beef with spring onions right here. Over here, I would say this is zucchini with onions. Onions with chili sauce. And we got, I think it's 2 different types of sausage here. Let's see what this is. Second type of sausage is this one here. I don't know what it is. It's it could be a tofu type thing or sausage, but it's mild. It has a little bit of chili flavor, but mild. The soup is got, again, spring onions and sprouts. I'm gonna grab my jumbo napkin. I spotted it. It's walked away. I'll be back momentarily. There we go. Jumbo napkin is here again. All right. So the food. The chili beef is good. Plenty of it. It's has a beef flavor. I mean, chili flavor is mild. The kimchi is, again, the red chili kimchi. It's good. The rice is normal. The orange juice was sitting on the meal a little too long, so it's a little bit warm, but it's fine. That's about it. I mean, this is the last lunch. Tomorrow I think they might give me a snack to hit me on the road, but again, I'm just counting on eating all of my food in Seoul. They're preparing for the Lunar New Year celebrations, so I don't know if they start that on breakfast. The amusement park behind me had fireworks last night. This seems to be the first time that they've done that. If they have been doing it, I haven't noticed, but last night they certainly did have fireworks. It seemed to be a pretty good show. I'm a distance off from it. I bet it's even better if you're there in person. I'm liking this lunch. I actually do like this lunch quite a bit. Again, if this was the lunch that I got every time, I'd be pretty happy. Breakfast is, I like breakfasts, but like for me, it would be an omelet or something like that. Cold cereal in a very small bowl. I'm not really a fan of that. Everyone at home probably already knows that. I would prefer, high protein breakfasts like steak and eggs or something like that. Huevos rancheros. I could do continental breakfasts if it's just really good breads and pastries, things like that. But as far as like a tuna fish sandwich for breakfast, it's not my thing. I do eat it, and a boiled egg. Yeah. I mean, I would eat one if I had to, and I've been eating them, but no, it's not my preference. If I was at one of those breakfast buffets, it would be I could order whatever I wanted. It would be an omelet. It might be a Belgian waffle, but it would be fruit and whipped cream, the whole thing. It would be more of a dessert treat, like when I eat my cookie first before breakfast. It's not because it's going to sustain me. It's because it tastes good and it's a treat. But if I'm going to eat something that's going to sustain me, it's going to be just full of energy throughout the day, not something that's going to last 20 minutes. It's going to last me throughout the day. This looks like a really good piece of meat here. Have I mentioned that I'm excited to leave? If I haven't, I'll mention it now. I am excited to get out of here, so tomorrow is going to be exciting for me. The most problematic part is just the amount of things I should have gotten done within the first 10 days of being here, but was stuck in this room. Certain things you have to do in person. You could do things electronically if you're well prepared, but there's just things that you just don't really think of. You plan on a possibility of quarantine, but somehow in my mind, I thought they would quarantine me after I don't know, had some time to meet with the various people, and you don't really think you're going to go immediately straight to jail. Obviously not jail, but in my case, it was straight here. And then there's no time to really do anything. In Canada, there was time, there was from the I had time to do some things. Things were closed because I got there later, but it's every place you're going, there's, you know, as far as the way they handle quarantine. Here it's very formal. Canada was like, oh, you're quarantined in the airport. Then they said, have fun in your hotel. And so there's a big difference between Canada and Korea. And you can't always count on those differences being consistent. From country to country, it will vary. And so just because you've had an experience in one country doesn't mean it's going to happen in every country. Well, I'm going to sign off with the typical tone, and I will see you for the next meal, which will be the evening meal. And there may not be anything after that. I may kind of show the room last minute. The room tour was, I didn't have the handheld setup video setup that I would do normally for handheld camera movement if I was doing a movie. So I could set it up more of the handheld where I'm looking through the video screen, and that's a little easier. And it's just balanced better instead of using the GorillaPod selfie stick thing. And so if I use that, it will be a lot smoother video. So I might try one last video saying goodbye to the room so I could give a good layout video. Well, that's about it for me.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.